Hi y'all. We're back with the Tesla saga again. Long story short, my husband's new Tesla had to be put in the shop to get a new battery, but it was all under warranty. Whatever, I'll save you the drama of all that. So he has a rental that Tesla let him use. And this shit is freaking me out because it is driving us. It's driving us.
Look, Mom, no hands.
No hands.
It's driving itself, literally.
We're busy. It is what, 5:15? 5:06 p.m. Traffic is busy.
It's putting its own blinkers on. It's applying brakes. It's turning.
A freaking computer is driving us. Y'all don't think that's weird? Or is it just me? I'm stuck in the ancient time days or something. I don't know. It knew to stop.
Only thing I did was put in the address, and it's going by itself. This is tight, y'all.
It's literally driving us to the post office. I can't be the only one that thinks this is weird and abnormal. All I can think about is that movie. That movie. What was it? The way world ends. Where all those Tesla cars were like crashing into each other. This thing, look, he's not even driving. It's about to turn up here, I think. Are you trying?
No, it's going straight.
Oh, it's going straight.
I do gotta. Every once in a while, you do gotta keep your hands on the wheel to let you know it's there.
Its feet ain't even on the damn pedals, and we're busy. I just think it's weird and creepy and so scary. I think it's unsafe. I don't know. I will be stuck back in the old, put the gas in the car, put the oil in the car, get the oil changes. Times. I won't be flying in the Jetson cars. Can't do it.
See, look, eventually it knows it's going to have to get over. So it's going to put a blinker on, and it's going to get over its own self.
I think it's so weird. I know. I'm never going to stop ranting about this because I'm not on board.
Look, it just put a blinker on, and look, and it got over itself.
This is so weird.
I'm not even doing that, y'all. It literally just got over in the next lane.
He didn't stop. The machine did. The car. And now we're going fast again. What the freak? I just can't get up with this.
That's an electric truck right there. Yeah. See, when that message,
It was on there. I think that my video was short. I just think it's unsafe. I don't feel safe.
it's putting its own blinker on.
Here we go. I don't know what I'm seeing. Look, he didn't touch nothing. Can y'all see this?
Look, and it went.
How does it know there's no cars coming? How the F does it know that there's no cars coming?
Oh, that's tight.
I can't. How is this legal and how is this safe?
I don't know how it was. I don't know.
This computer is driving. This big computer car. Electric. Y'all, this is weird.
It literally took us from our driveway to the post office by itself.
You could be drunk and you could be like, take me to Taco Bell. And it takes you to Taco Bell. How is that safe? Uh-oh. What's going on?
I kicked it out.
Oh, Jarnell did something.
Yeah. That was me.
I'm just going to rant about it till the day I close my eyes.
Sure you want to drive?
I do not want to drive this car ever. Or your other new one when it comes back. Ever. If we are out and about and you have too much to drink, We better call an Uber because I ain't driving this. I ain't driving it home.
All right, we're going home, okay? All right, y'all.
Hi, Philly.
And
He's driving on the right side of the road, but the car was like driving itself, which is very weird to me. Can you turn down this Arctic blast? My eyelashes are icicling over. Babe,
hold on.
please. He was freezing me out over here. It's driving on its own. Are you back on the?
Yeah, it's
the
still
mode?
driving.
It's driving us home now. We went to the post office. No hands on the steering wheel, no feet on the pedals. It knows where to turn because of all these sensors all around it.
West 95th Street.
How does it know there's a stop sign right there?
It sees it.
And watch, we got the blinker on. You see all these cars everywhere? Okay? How does it know there's no cars coming? How? Oh God, we're gonna turn. Do y'all not think that's weird?
I don't.
I'm always gonna think it's weird.
It's the future.
I'm not gonna be, no. I'm not getting on that bandwagon.
You might.
I'm not. Ever. I say it now. Mark it in the videos. I'm never, ever,
That's a Tesla.
ever gonna have one of these electric cars.
Is anybody watching?
My friend Philly from Parsons. Phyllis Jones.
So yeah, it won't
He said
speed.
it looks like you're on the wrong side. What side is he driving on?
It's because the way her video is, it's
Oh, my
going
video is
backwards.
probably flipped
It
backwards.
is.
He's driving on the right side, the regular way, but like the thing was driving itself. Then I was just showing it, doing another little one of my rants because it's creepy.
I think you probably need to flip the camera around, maybe easier.
Hold on. La 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 la. There. Hi, babe. I can't tell or see what angle is being viewed, but looks like a little video game.
Yeah, nobody watching.
Phyllis was on there. Phyllis was on there. Are you on there? Get off your phone. We are at a stoplight, guys, and he's texting on this live video, being silly. Anyway, there's cameras all around the car, so I guess that's how it senses everything. It's 100 degrees here in KC. Loving it. Feels hot.
Feels hot. It is hot.
Feels nice. I've been inside freezing.
But what do you really think of an electric car, though? Seriously.
It ain't my ain't my cup of tea. No, thank you.
There's no gas. There's free charging everywhere.
No, I'm sorry, babe. That's gonna be a hard no for me.
Right now, she may change her mind.
He ain't changing my mind. This rental has white seats. I could never have white seats. I would spill so much stuff, mark so much stuff up.
Stop spilling stuff then. Look,
I know. Oh, here we go. It's driving us again. No foot on the pedal. Come on, move your hand. Sorry, I'm up in your business. Y'all, we're moving, and his foot isn't even on the pedal. His hands aren't on the steering wheel.
increasing
And
the
that
speed.
little computer right there is what's taking us away. Oh, we're switching lanes. All on its own.
And it'll literally take us directly to our driveway
I just think
and park.
I just think that people who drink are going to take advantage of these kind of things.
Probably, but it's too late. It's going to happen.
I know, but that's
Scary, yes,
scary.
but it's safe.
How the hell is it safe?
Would you rather a drunk driver be behind the wheel or a car driving itself behind the wheel?
I don't want neither. I don't want anybody to be driving and drinking, and I don't want this computer to be driving me either.
I understand that.
It's still weird, and I just can't.
When I was coming home and somebody was like in the road walking, the car actually moved around the person too.
Oh my goodness.
Tundra in front of us, go figure.
Your old Tundra.
100 feet, turn left onto Wall Avenue.
Alright.
Yeah, there we go. Anyway,
Thing is moving. The steering wheel is moving. It's possessed. Okay, I just need to say this. The other day we were home. The kids were home. I think the older one was maybe working. All of a sudden, our garage door opened. Nobody pushed the code. Nobody opened it. Everybody has like their apps on their phone or whatever, and then the codes. It just opened. Okay, that's electric. Do you not think something like weird can happen with these kind of cars? Hasn't there been something weird that's happened
Oh, I'm sure.
to these cars? Anyway, I'll get off my rant, but I hope you all had a blessed day. I'm going back home, back to studying. Take care.
See? Okay.
Oh yeah, my nail didn't beat me up. If y'all are looking at this bruise right here, he didn't sock me one. I had a tooth removed a week ago today, and I still am having some issues, and that popped up on Saturday. So just gotta let it ride out. Anyway, love y'all. Bye.